Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCrafted Creations. Welcome to this week's Challenge Wednesday. This is the card that I'm going to be showing you how to make. It's made with the Colour Me Happy stamp set, which does have a coordinating kit which you can get, but is retiring, so if you want it you need to get it quick. And there's links in the descriptions for where you can get the stamp set as well to make this card along with me. So let's get started. Alright, so we'll start with picking our numbers. Let's zoom out just a little bit. There we go. So, random number generator. Don't forget you can help me pick the numbers, the colours for next week's challenge. Just comment with 3 numbers between 1 and 50. I haven't had any comments for a little bit, so I think I'm forgetting to remind you guys that you can do that. So, when I don't have numbers left in comments, I use the number generator. So we will start with number 19, which is Lemon Lime Twist. Love that colour. And number 20, which is Sweet Sugar Plum. Another lovely colour. And 19 again. 3. There we go. You can't have the same number twice. Number 3 is, where's number 3? Come on. Number 3. Oh, there we go. Smoky Slate. Ooh, nice. So, Lemon Lime Twist, Sweet Sugar Plum, and Smoky Slate. I'll go and grab those colours and then see what we can make. Okay, so these are the colours. Smoky Slate, Lemon Lime Twist, and Sweet Sugar Plum. And the stamp set we're going to use is the Colour Me Happy set, which is retiring, which does have a kit that coordinates with it, which is retiring as well, so you need to get that quick. So first thing we're going to do is stamp the big thanks. Oh, grab me blocks. I'm forgetting everything. I haven't got my Stampin' Squab out. Oh, tell ya. So, Stampin' Squab at the ready, and then grab a block. My blocks are too far away, so I'm going to stamp that in Smoky Slate. I knew it was going to do that. Okay, then I'm going to colour it in with the Lemon Lime Twist and the Sweet Sugar Plum. Oh, actually, no, scratch that. Smoky Slate and Lemon Lime Twist. So if you look closely, you'll see it's kind of got the shadow area already in the image. So if you colour in this top part, then it will have this part and then the shadow underneath. I'll speed this up. Thanks, nicely coloured in, and these little bits I'll just do with the sweet sugar plum. Then I'm just going to cut this out with one of the layering ovals, one of the scalloped ones, so I'll do that and be right back. Okay, so I've cut that out, and now I can use this for another card, and then this bit I'm going to do some more stamping on for the background. And again, from the Colour Me Happy kit, I'm going to take the flower, just pop this back in. Where are we? Put these away, otherwise I'm going to lose something. There we go. So the flower I'm going to stamp in, let me think, I'll do it in the sweet sugar plum, and then again use the smoky slate to add some shadow. So I'm just going to stamp all over this piece of card, off the edges. Try not to be too precise. There we go. Cute. Okay, whoops. So that's that bit done. Then again, on the flowers, zoom you back, you can see, focus, focus, come on. Oh, nearly had it then. Oh, that's close enough. You can see there's a bit of shadow. Well, not really shadow, I suppose. It's like the tip of the flower, so I'm going to do it in sweet sugar plum instead. Change my mind. So these bits I'm just going to add a bit of sweet sugar plum too. So I won't make you watch me do them all. I'll just do one with you. So on the edge of each petal there's kind of like a fold. So I'm just adding some colour there, just so it's not so one-dimensional. Oops, that was wrong. And there. And here. Okay, so I'm just going to do that for all of them, and then I'll be right back. On. You know, when you start something and you think to yourself, oh, I wish I hadn't started now because it takes so long. Yeah, that's one of those. So I'm just going to do a little circle of lemon lime twist in the middle of each one. Just like so. Alrighty then, let me zoom you out. So that's that bit done, and then I've got a smoky slate card base, and I'm going to stick this down. And then over the top of that I've got a piece of vellum that is just a smidge smaller than this Whisper White piece. So it's nearly the same size but just a touch smaller. and I'm going to stick that down, going this way actually, with some tape, and I'm going to put the tape in the middle part because that's where this is going to go, so it will be hidden. Because obviously you don't want to, oh my life, my bone folder's stuck, not my bone folder, my pocket tool. You don't want to be seeing the adhesive, and through vellum you can see the adhesive once it's stuck, and it's not too pretty. So you can, I mean it's not loads, but you know, you can see it. So we're going to hide it with our sentiment, and that we're going to pop up on dimensionals as soon as I can get them out the flipping packet. There. And there, ta-da, all done. So I hope that you've enjoyed this week's Challenge Wednesday card, and don't forget to comment with your 3 numbers, and that'll help me pick some colours for next time. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.